How you doing, guys? A very good morning to you from the west of Ireland. This is Leonard Ben, just stopping by to do a quick update on my account and my passive trades. And I'm gonna say, if you want to add me as a friend, do add me here on Facebook. Just pop over and send me a short message. Let me know that you're joining me from YouTube, and we get acquainted. Okay, I'd like to wish everybody a happy Christmas and I hope you're all getting on well and your health is your wealth. Money comes second. Bitcoin comes second. Your health first, and Bitcoin can come second. So I'm gonna pop over to my passive trades and see how my account is faring out over there. So here I am on the dashboard. I have already logged in. So at the moment I got 1,125 here in active trade packs, and they have earned me $555 dollars. At the moment I got $80 in here, and this is just some balance that's after coming off the trade packs within the last couple of days. So I have taken out some money over the last few weeks. I have taken out $1,658, which is quite astonishing. Absolutely fantastic platform. It's running as smooth as can be. Okay, so yes, if you want to deposit money in your wallet, you can do it here. Okay, deposit Bitcoin, and you can withdraw money here as well. So anything over $10 you can withdraw at any time. Okay, there's no limit to how much you can deposit, but I would recommend starting off with a couple of $100. So it will give you a boost so you can grow your trade packs faster. You have an option to compound or withdraw anytime. So here under this tab here is passive trade packs. So you can purchase trade packs here, and you can view your own trade packs here. So I got lots of trade packs in here. Moving down, you can purchase advertising. You can add your websites if you got something else that you need visitors flying to. You can manage your ads. You can check your history. I'm going to show you commissions, deposits. Just check withdrawals here for a moment. We'll see. Here's my recent withdrawals. So don't just take my word for it, guys. Here it is in black and white. 175, 49, 41, 113, 95, 50, 200, 39, 49, 195, 108, 108, 108, 30. So all the withdrawals are there, guys. The platform is running smooth. Since I joined, it's been a total pleasure taking Bitcoin out on every few days, taking Bitcoin out. Okay. So if you want to join this platform, there's a link below the video, a link to the Facebook group, and also a link to the my passive trades website. This one here. There was a hangout last night. It's available in the Facebook group under the announcement tab. If you want to check it out, pop in and see what's happening. But first, guys, if you want to join this, connect with me first on Facebook, okay? And then I can talk to you head to head, face to face, and show you what's going on, okay? Add me on Facebook, get in touch, and I show you what's happening with my passive trades, okay? And the whole ecosystem. They have their own native coin. It's on CoinMarketCap. It's under the initials ERK. It's worth checking out and loading up on, okay? So add me over here, guys. Let's talk about my passive trades. Let's talk about the sustainability of it. Let's get connected. So that's it for this video, guys. Just letting you know that everything is working out fine, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy, guys. Have a great day and get in touch.